Welcome back friends to our YouTube channel CrackSoft. In the last video we have seen how to edit videos in Movavi Video Suit software with easy mode. In this video we will see how to edit video in full feature mode. First of all, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Let's start. If you haven't downloaded the Movavi Video Suit software, then download the software from the link given in the description. Now run the software. Click on edit video. And click on full feature mode. Now this is full feature mode. In this portion you can import the video, record the video or record the screen. This is the timeline. This is video timeline, this is audio timeline. This is the preview window, and on the left side these all are editing options, and in the top side there are menus for different operations. With the file menu you can create project files, add the media files. With the edit menu you can copy the file, paste the file, and different operations are given. In the playback menu you can play the video with full screen, skip, forward the video, next frame or previous frame options are given here. With the setting menu you can set the language and other preferences are given here. To export the video, click on export video or upload to YouTube. Let's see the settings menu. Here there are different preferences are given. This is reset. You can set according to your preferences. In the files menu you can save the different locations for project files, for output videos, for audio recording and stabilization of videos. In sharing option you have to sign in into YouTube for share the video directly to YouTube, and in the acceleration you can enable graphic card support. Click on OK. Now add the media files to here. Click on file menu and add the media files. You can add different media files here, and you can change the order of media files. Now here right click on the video and there are different options given here, such as play the video, hide the clip, and other tools are given here. Click on audio and detach the audio and set the audio from beginner. Now here there are no motion is given, so to set the motion click here and select pan and zoom option. Now to zoom in and zoom out into timeline, click here and drag the slider to zoom in. Now for this photo, click on zoom out option or zoom in option and click on add. Now this is the keyframe of animation. Click here to reposition it and you can see that the animation is given. Now see. If you want to remove the effect, then click here and the effect is removed. Now if you want to add transition between these footages, then click here to add the transition and drag the transition between here. as the transition is applied. Now if I want to add overlays on this footage, then click on filters and add any overlay to this video footage, such as this. Now if I want to add text, then click here on the text and you can add different text to here. And to edit the text, double click on it and select here and type the text. This way you can add the text here. You can also add the sticker here, such as drag and drop the stickers from here, and you can resize it by dragging from corner and click on apply. Now you can see that the sticker is applied here. There are also different options given in this menu, such as callout. You can also add callouts here, such as drag and drop the callout to here and reposition it. As this way you can add the callouts here. You can see the different callouts here. Now in the next menu you can add animation keyframe to here. Select this clip and click on add animation. Now this is the keyframe here. You can drag to anywhere and you can scale it or change the opacity here, such as this. As this way you can give animation here. You can also add stabilization effect to the video by clicking on stabilization and click the footage and click on stabilize to stabilize the footage. In the next option you can add highlight. As this way you can blur the image and you can change the size of it. You can also use chroma key here and change the color for chroma, such as this, and you can change the opacity of it. Now to export the video, click on export here, and we have seen how to export the video in previous section. You can export the video in different formats from here, in different qualities from here, and to set the resolutions, click on advanced and set the resolution from here and frame rate from here, and click on OK and click on start to export. If you find this video helpful, then do like the video, share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.